Hey, now, what's going on? Do a little car audio update. If you follow me in the past, you should know these motors. These are the Everest Soundlabs BDX motors. I had them remagnetized, freshened up, realigned, all taken apart, cleaned. They were really rusty, and SPL Audio, Corey Dean, took them all apart. Instead of going back to the 15s, they're 18s now. Got some faux carbons on them. And they got the Blue Gang treatment. A little dusty. I got them. They've been sitting around. This was the first step in the process. It's got all the goodies, direct leads. Nice big tinsel leads in there. After I got that done, because it was not a cheap thing to have that all shipped down to. I got them Sundown Audio, recharged them. And then new baskets. They got brand new baskets on them. These are right around 90 something pounds, almost 100 pounds a piece. And then after that, I saved for this bad boy. This is the DD Digital Designs M8000. Is a big dog amp. This thing is gorgeous. So I saved and got this. The fellas over at Salt City Auto sold me this. Nice bunch of fellas. Need any work done, get those guys up. They're in the Syracuse area. And then after that, I saved for something that's going to be able to power this. What would you need to power something this big? I did a little research and see what my options were, and I haven't looked or been around any car audio in 8-9 years. I was doing my music thing for a while and playing in a couple bands, and wasn't really looking at the scene. And then I come back to it now. And there's a lot of new technology, what everybody's using. So after a little research, I had my eyes set on this. Yeah. Look at this baby. This right here is the Coventry 70 amp hour lithium battery. This is a bank. These are cells from electric car that they rewire. This is a equalizer. They put it all in their nice little case. Really, this is really stout, 70 amp hours. I don't know the actual breakdown of it, but I'm under assumption this is about 1,000 amp hours of dry cell or something like that. I might be wrong. Because these banks are, I see people running like 2 6Ks on them. And they're having no problem. So me running this 8K should be nice. Well, that's the update. If I made another video a couple days ago. What my plan is I'm in a very small car right now, little VW Tiguan. And then the Tiguan, the airspace for having a box in the back is I think I measured it. It was 8.5 cubes to work with, or 9, depending on how tall I made it. Maybe 10 max, depending on if I mounted everything vertical or if I mounted it maybe facing forward, how I'd mount the subs. But the other video I show, I got 2 21-inch passive radiators from PAP Auto, Paul Pierce. You know, check that video out. Let me just go to the last one I made. All right, have a good one, guys.